Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an HMD Nokia 7.1 smartphone and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this basically for one of two reasons. The first reason is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues where your phone is not working properly, it's not connecting, it's slow, it's lagging, it's not responding, stuff like that, can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now you're going to have to set it up again if you do this because everything will be wiped off of it. And that's kind of the second reason you might want to do this. If you're giving this away or selling it, or even if you're buying a used one or whatever, and you just want to get everything off of it back to the way it was when it came out of the box, it's really an easy thing to do. So all we need to do is straight from the screen, we can just go to the settings menu. And then from the settings menu, we'll tap on system. And then from system, we will tap on reset options. And then once we get to reset options, we can select erase all data, and in parentheses it will say factory reset. Once you click on that, it'll ask you to confirm it, give you a little warning, just letting you know everything's going to be wiped off. Just go through those little instructions and everything will be wiped and your phone will restore to its factory out of the box settings.